Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to draw Lord Ganesha. This video is going to be quite simple but beautiful. And friends, I just want you to be listening for some more minutes because I just want to say something to you. Hope you have some more minutes for this drawing and for the updates which I'm giving and for me. And friends, the first thing which I want to say is about the delay of this video. Actually 22nd August is Ganesh Chaturthi on India, but I am posting 23rd because it have a reason. I just want to give a beautiful video every time, but it is not possible every time. So I waited for a day, but it gone. So what, I am presenting this video later. Sorry for that friends, but hope you find this video beautiful. This is the thing which I want to say. And the second thing is going to be mainly for newcomers of our channel. Friends, if you are already subscribed to our channel, thank you so much friends. That is a huge thing for me. Then friends, if you are new to this channel, I love to have you subscribe right here and turn on the post notifications. And you may think that because this is a very normal dialogue which is said by a lot of creators, but I have reason for this. I have two exact reason for this. The number one reason is I have lot of useful contents to watch and I want viewers for that. You can watch it. So what, I'm asking you to subscribe for my channel. And the second reason is I want a lovely YouTube family for me. And I'm having a 810 individual YouTube friends for me. I want to grow this count as much as I can. So friends, this is the reason, and I think none of a YouTube creator had said the reason for subscribing to them. Then friends, the third thing which I want to say is about this exact drawing. This is very simple drawing, but it looks beautiful, right? Because I have spent a few hours for this drawing. Spending time is very important for our drawing. Then friends, the last thing which I want to say is about the next tutorial, because obviously the next video is going to be a tutorial on colors. As you know, I have got color pencils as gift for my birthday. It is presented by one of our YouTube family member and it is a premium pack of color pencils set of 12. I'm going to make videos on that too. Don't worry about that friends, because I'm not new to color pencils and I'll be making good art on that too. Friends, so the next video is going to be quite simple but beautiful. Hope you are waiting for that. Stay tuned friends. Friends, I'm just working on the background right now. As you can see, the background is also very important for a drawing to give the depth of it. Then friends, this is the completed drawing. Hope you would like it. And friends, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends who will sure like videos on drawings. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and join with my lovely YouTube family. Thank you so much for watching friends. See you